In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a WordPress website in Plesk. Backing up your WordPress site is an essential task to ensure that all your hard work is safely stored and easily recoverable in case of any mishaps. Whether you're dealing with site maintenance, potential hacking threats, or just want peace of mind, having a recent backup is crucial. Let's walk through the process so you can have your backup ready in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to log in to your Plesk control panel. This is the backbone of where all your website management takes place. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. There you'll find a variety of options, but the one we're interested in today is labeled WordPress. Click on this section to enter the WordPress toolkit. This toolkit is a centralized place specifically designed for managing WordPress installations, so you're definitely in the right spot for creating backups. Next, you'll be selecting the WordPress installation that you wish to back up. You may have more than one site listed, so be sure to identify the correct one. Once you've located it, look for the Backup Restore link associated with that particular site. Clicking this link will direct you to the starting point of the backup process. It's important to note this location because it's also where you can go to restore your site from a previous backup if necessary. Now that you're in the right section, it's time to initiate the backup. You'll notice a backup button. This is what you'll be clicking to kickstart the backup process. With just one click, you'll be moving on to the next step where you can tailor the details of your backup. Here, you're given several options. First, decide what content you want to include in the backup. For most users, selecting all content including files and the database will be the best choice. This option ensures that everything necessary for your site's functionality is saved. Second, choose the type of backup, full or incremental. A full backup means everything will be copied over, whereas an incremental backup only saves changes made since the last backup, which can save space and time. Lastly, decide where your backup should be stored. You can keep it on the server or choose remote storage if available. Remote storage is a good choice if you're concerned about server failure or want an off-site backup. Once you've made these selections, simply click OK to start the backup process. And there you have it. Your WordPress site is now being safely backed up. It's a simple yet vital step to protect your online presence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check back for more website management tips.